Magandang araw mga mag-aaral. Naritong muli ang inyong guro ng Sipnayan para sa panibagong math tutorial. Ngayon naman ay pag-aaralan natin ang tungkol sa division of a polynomial by a monomial. Paano ba ginagawa ito? So let us have now the following examples. So if we have 4x plus 8 divided by 2, okay. So, itong polynomial na to, ang numerator ay ang 4x plus 8 at ang denominator ay 2. So, ibig sabihin din ito, itong si 2 ay denominator siya ni 4x at denominator din siya ni 8. For easy dividing ng polynomial sa monomial, ay pwede nating i-break down or hatiin natin itong polynomial na ito sa monomial dahil sa iisa lamang ang kanilang denominator. Okay, so let us now break it down. So just copy the numerator 4x, copy the denominator 2, plus, copy din natin ang numerator na 8, and then copy also the denominator na 2. Then, is equal to, divide the numerical coefficients na 4 divided by 2. So this is equal to 2. And then, copy the literal coefficient or the variable x. Dahil sa wala naman siyang ibang kasama, so just copy. Plus, 8 divided by 2 is equal to 4. So, this is now the final answer. Okay. For example number 2, we have 24x minus 16y divided by 8. Okay. So again, we can break it down. So 24x over sa 8 minus 16y divided by sa 8. Again, divide the numerical coefficient. 24 divided by 8 is 3. Copy the variable x. Minus 16 divided by 8 is 2. And then copy the variable y. So this is now our final answer. So let us have now another example. If we have now 2x cubed plus 9x divided by x. So again, break down this polynomial into monomials. Okay? So just copy 2x cubed divided by the denominator x, plus copy the numerator 9x, divided by copy the denominator x. Okay, in this example, ang ating denominators ay mga x, ang kanilang numerical coefficient ay 1, at ang kanila ding exponent or power ay 1. Hindi lamang ipinapakita ang mga numerical coefficient niya o ang kanyang mga exponents because it is understood na kapag walang variable sa harapan ni x or exponent sa kanya, it is already understood na ang kanyang numerical coefficient or constant ay 1 at ang kanyang exponent or power ay 1. But then, for the purpose of this discussion, I'm going to write the numerical coefficient x at ang exponent na 1. Then, let us now, again, divide now the numerical coefficient. 2 divided by 1 is 2. Then, these are the same base. Pareho silang variable x. Just copy. Subtract the exponents. 3 minus 1 is 2. Plus, 9 divided by 1 is equal to 9. Then, x divided by x, so this is equal to 1. Paano naging 1? Because if we're going to copy the variable x, subtract their exponents, 1 minus 1, so this is equal to x to the 0 power. X to the 0 power is equal to 1. Because any variable raised to the 0 power is always equal to 1. Kaya siya 1. So dito pa lang ay pwede na natin kung tutuusin mag-cancel. Okay. For our final answer, we have 2x squared plus 9 times 1 is equal to 9. For our fourth example, if we have 8x squared y plus 8xy to the fourth power all over negative 4x negative 4xy. So let us break it down. So we have 8x squared y over sa negative 4xy plus 8xy to the fourth over sa negative 4xy. Let us again divide the numerical coefficient 8 divided by negative 4. So this is negative 2. The same base, x squared and x, then just copy the base. Subtract their exponents. Again, ang exponent dito ni x ay positive 1. So 2 minus 1 is 1. Then, y divided by y, so this is already 1. Again, ang reason nito ay katulad din nito. Okay? Because ito ay magiging y to the 0, so this is already equal to 1. And then, plus 8 divided by negative 4, so this is negative 2. And then, x divided by x, so again, this is positive 1. Then y to the fourth divided by 1, so the same base, just copy the variable y, subtract their exponents, 4 minus 1, so this is equal to 3. Then for our final answer, we have negative 2x, positive times negative is negative 2, so this is negative 2. Negative 2 times positive 1 is negative 2, then copy y cubed. So our final answer is negative 2x minus 2y cubed. For our next example, if we have 10x y to the fourth power minus 8x y cubed plus 4x squared y all over 2xy. Again, pwede natin silang i-break down para mas madali ang dividing. Okay, so we have copy the numerator 10xy to the fourth power divided by 2xy minus 8x y cubed divided by 2xy plus 4x squared y over sa 2xy. Again, unahin nating i-divide ang kanilang numerical coefficients. So, 10 divided by 2. So, this is 5. X divided by x. So, pwede na natin siyang i-cancel. Because x divided by x, so this is x to the 0. Then, x to the 0 is equal to 1. The same base, copy the variable y. 4 minus 1 is 3. Minus 8 divided by 2 is 4. Again, pwede na natin i-cancel to. Then, change into 1. Then, copy the variable y. 3 minus 1 is 2. Plus 4 divided by 2 is 2. Then, the same base, copy the variable x. 2 minus 1 is 1. Then, y divided by 1. So, this is already equal to 1. Parehas sila ng variable. Parehas ng exponent. So, this is y raised to the 1 minus 1. So, y, 1 minus 1 is equal to y to the 0. So, this is also equal to 1. So, for our final answer, we have 5 times 1 is 5 times y cubed. So, we have 5y cubed minus 4 times 1 times y squared. So, 4y squared. Plus 2x times 1 is 2x. So, this is now our final answer.